best patient scheduling software of 2026. Welcome to part 7 of our 10-part series on the best healthcare software in 2026. In this episode, it's all about patient scheduling software, the systems that manage how patients access care. We'll cover what matters, as well as some of the best options for small, mid-market, and enterprise health systems. Before we dive in, this video is sponsored by several healthcare leaders, including our title sponsor, athenahealth, as well as our other sponsors and partners, NextGen, drchrono, CareCloud, and TotalMD. What a stellar group of platforms. You can learn more about each of them through the links in the description. Alright, let's dive in. Best patient scheduling software for small practices. For small practices, scheduling software is often embedded in their EHR or practice management system. A standalone scheduling platform adds complexity that smaller practices don't need. What matters is whether the scheduling functionality is actually good. The best small practice scheduling platforms support patient self-scheduling, online booking through a patient portal or a public-facing booking widget, 24/7 without requiring a call to the front desk. Automate appointment reminders, text and email reminders at configurable intervals before appointments, with two-way confirmation that gives practices notice of cancellations. Manage provider templates intelligently, flexible scheduling templates that account for different appointment types, slot durations, and provider availability. Handle cancellations and waitlists. Automated waitlist management that fills cancellation slots quickly, reducing revenue loss from last-minute openings. Offer insurance eligibility verification at booking. Automatic eligibility checks when the appointment is scheduled, so financial issues are caught before the patient arrives. Provide multimodal booking options. Phone, online portal, app, and text-based booking because different patient populations prefer different access channels. Here are several patient scheduling platforms consistently chosen by smaller practices. Note, these are listed alphabetically. We don't have time to go through all of them in detail, but screenshot and return to this list later, then set up demos. There are also links in the description for detailed feature breakdowns in the SelectHub platform. There you go, some of the best patient scheduling options for smaller practices. Before we move on, a quick shout out to our title sponsor, athenahealth. Unlike systems that bolt together separate modules, athenahealth, whose Athena One solution provides EHR, practice management, and revenue cycle management, serves medical practices and health systems in one unified system. Their single instance network of over 170,000 clinicians and 117 million patients gives them a scale that's hard to match in ambulatory care. Plus, Athena One is AI native from the ground up. The platform brings AI into the workflows that power ambulatory care, helping practices deliver care, manage revenue, engage patients, and run more consistent day-to-day operations through one connected platform. Thanks to athenahealth for supporting this series. Check them out through the link in the description to see if Athena One is the right fit for your organization. Now, back to the show. Best patient scheduling software for mid-market and larger organizations. Mid-market and larger healthcare organizations need scheduling platforms that handle the complexity of coordinating care across multiple providers, multiple locations, and multiple appointment types, while giving administrators the visibility to manage utilization proactively. Mid-market and larger scheduling buyers typically look for advanced scheduling across locations, the ability to schedule patients across multiple providers and locations in a single view, with intelligent routing to the right site of care based on availability and patient preference, capacity management analytics, provider and facility utilization reporting, appointment demand forecasting, and scheduling performance metrics that help admins optimize access. Care pathway scheduling, the ability to schedule sequences of appointments for complex care pathways, for example, surgery pre-op, surgery, and post-op follow-up, in a coordinated workflow. Integration with referral management, bidirectional integration with referral platforms so that referred patients move from referral received to appointment scheduled without manual coordination. Patient access analytics, time to third next available, appointment by provider and specialty, no-show rates, cancellation rates, and patient leakage data to identify bottlenecks. Here are several platforms often chosen by mid-market and larger healthcare organizations. Again, screenshot this list, and there are links in the description for SelectHub's feature-by-feature comparisons and analyst scores. Our analysts have reviewed popular scheduling platforms in depth. Links to the SelectHub platform in the description. There you have it, an overview of the best patient scheduling software in 2026, from smaller practices through to enterprise health systems. For more resources, including pricing guides and SelectHub's database of feature comparisons, check out the links in the description. One more big thank you to the sponsors who made this series possible, including our title sponsor, athenahealth, as well as our other sponsors and partners, NextGen, drchrono, CareCloud, and TotalMD. Each of these brings unique value depending on your organization's size, access strategy, and patient population. Links for demos are in the description. I'm Devin Hennig with SelectHub. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Cheers!